Abby, you read the message.
Andy. Where's Andy?
You read the message of Mami Cora. Come on.
Jay, happy sa pick up din namin.
Why, Mami?
Okay.
Job excuse She'll just read.
The video shake.
Okay. Andy, you read. You read everything.
For my mother on her birthday, like all mothers, there must have been times when you prayed for extra strength, patience, and love. And God must have smiled, knowing you already possessed those gifts in abundance. Gifts that would bless me for a lifetime. To our dearest Mama, every year on your birthday, I look back on all the big and small ways you've shaped my life. All the ways I'm still hoping to be more like you. And I wish you could know how grateful I am that you're my mother. Happy birthday. We love you so much. Mark and Cora.
Oo. Isa man ang gift, Mama. What's the gift? What's the gift? Ate, recorded ba yan, anak? Tago-tago ninyo. Nadakop. Oh, hala.
Pakita ni Mami. Mami, na ay 1,000. Sinula, hinatag mo. Okay.
Okay.
And the gift.
What's inside? Wow.
Jane, excuse me, Jane.
Wow, very nice.
Okay.